12 Best Foods to Eat in the Morning. Despite what you may have heard, eating breakfast isn't necessary for everyone. In fact, skipping breakfast may be better than eating unhealthy breakfast foods. However, a nutritious, well-balanced breakfast can give you energy and prevent you from eating too much during the rest of the day. Here are the 12 best foods you can eat in the morning. 1. Eggs. Eggs are undeniably healthy and delicious. Studies have shown that eating eggs at breakfast increases feelings of fullness, reduces calorie intake at the next meal, and helps maintain steady blood sugar and insulin levels. In one study, men who ate eggs for breakfast felt more satisfied and took in fewer calories during the rest of the day than those who consumed a bagel. Additionally, egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help prevent eye disorders like cataracts and macular degeneration. Eggs are also one of the best sources of choline, a very important nutrient for brain and liver health. Though high in cholesterol, eggs don't raise cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, eating whole eggs may reduce heart disease risk by modifying the shape of bad LDL cholesterol, increasing good HDL cholesterol, and improving insulin sensitivity. What's more, 3 large eggs provide about 20 grams of high-quality protein. Eggs are also very versatile. For example, hard-boiled eggs make a great portable breakfast that can be prepared ahead of time. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is creamy, delicious and nourishing. It's made by straining whey and other liquid from milk curds, which produces a creamier yogurt that is more concentrated in protein. Protein has been shown to reduce feelings of hunger and has a higher thermic effect than fat or carbs. The term thermic effect refers to the increase in metabolic rate that occurs after eating. Yogurt and other dairy products can also help with weight control because they increase levels of hormones that promote fullness, including PYY and GLP-1. What's more, full-fat yogurt contains conjugated linoleic acid (CLA), which may increase fat loss and decrease breast cancer risk. Certain types of Greek yogurt are good sources of probiotics like bifidobacteria, which help your gut stay healthy. To make sure your yogurt contains probiotics, look for the phrase "contains live and active cultures" on the label. Try topping Greek yogurt with berries or chopped fruit to increase your meal's vitamin, mineral and fiber content. 3. Coffee. Coffee is an amazing beverage to start your day. It's high in caffeine, which has been shown to improve mood, alertness and mental performance. Even small amounts of caffeine can achieve these effects. An analysis of 41 studies found the most effective dose to be 38 to 400 milligrams per day to maximize the benefits of caffeine while reducing side effects. This is roughly 0.3 to 4 cups of coffee per day, depending on the coffee's strength. Caffeine has also been shown to increase metabolic rate and fat burning. In one study, 100 milligrams of caffeine per day helped people burn an extra 79 to 150 calories over a 24-hour period. In addition, coffee is rich in antioxidants, which reduce inflammation, protect the cells lining your blood vessels and decrease diabetes and liver disease risk. 4. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is the best breakfast choice for cereal lovers. It's made from ground oats, which contain a unique fiber called oat beta-glucan. This fiber has many impressive health benefits, including reduced cholesterol. What's more, oat beta-glucan is a viscous fiber that promotes feelings of fullness. One study found that it increased levels of the fullness hormone PYY and that higher doses had the greatest effect. Oats are also rich in antioxidants, which protect their fatty acids from becoming rancid. These antioxidants may also benefit heart health and decrease blood pressure. Though oats don't contain gluten, they're often processed in the same facilities as gluten-containing grains. Researchers have found that most oats are indeed contaminated with other grains, especially barley. Therefore, people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity should choose oats that have been certified as gluten-free. Bear in mind that 1 cup 235 grams of cooked oatmeal contains only about 6 grams of protein, which won't provide the benefits of a higher protein breakfast. To boost the protein content of an oatmeal breakfast, prepare it with milk instead of water or serve it with a side of eggs or a piece of cheese. 5. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are extremely nutritious and one of the best sources of fiber around. In fact, 1 ounce 28 grams of chia seeds provides an impressive 11 grams of fiber per serving. What's more, a portion of the fiber in chia seeds is viscous fiber, which absorbs water, increasing the volume of food moving through your digestive tract and helping you feel full and satisfied. In a small, 12-week study, people with diabetes who ate chia seeds experienced reduced hunger, along with improvements in blood sugar and blood blood pressure. Chia seeds are also high in antioxidants, which protect your cells from unstable molecules called free radicals that are produced during metabolism. In another study of people with diabetes, chia seeds decreased the inflammatory marker CRP by 40%. Elevated CRP is a major risk factor for heart disease. However, one serving of chia seeds provides only about 4 grams of protein, which may not be optimal for breakfast. Here is a recipe for chia pudding that contains more than 25 grams of protein. High-protein chia seed pudding ingredients: 1 ounce 28 grams of dried chia seeds, 1 scoop of whey protein powder, 1 cup 240 milliliters of coconut milk or almond milk, half a cup of berries, stevia or another sweetener to taste, if desired. Directions: combine all ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. 6. Berries. Berries are delicious and packed with antioxidants. Popular types include blueberries, raspberries, strawberries and blackberries. They're lower in sugar than most fruits, yet higher in fiber. In fact, raspberries and blackberries each provide an impressive 8 grams of fiber per cup, or 120 and 145 grams, respectively. What's more, 1 cup of berries contains only 50 to 85 calories depending on the type. Berries also pack antioxidants called anthocyanins, which protect your heart and may help you age better. Berries have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation, prevent blood cholesterol from oxidizing and keep the cells lining your blood vessels healthy. A good way to add berries to your breakfast is to eat them with Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. 7. Nuts. Nuts are tasty, satisfying and nutritious. They're a great addition to your breakfast, as they're filling and help prevent weight gain. Even though nuts are high in calories, studies suggest you don't absorb all the fat in them. In fact, your body only absorbs about 129 calories of a 1 ounce 28 gram serving of almonds. This may be true for some other nuts as well, though at this time only almonds have been tested. Furthermore, nuts have been shown to improve heart disease risk factors, reduce insulin resistance and decrease inflammation. All types of nuts are also high in magnesium, potassium and heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. What's more, Brazil nuts are one of the best sources of selenium. Just 2 Brazil nuts provide more than 100% of the recommended daily intake. Nuts are also beneficial for people with diabetes. In one study, replacing a portion of carbs with 2 ounces 56 grams of nuts led to reduced blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Topping Greek yogurt, cottage cheese or oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts provides crunch and flavor while increasing your breakfast's nutritional value. 8. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It contains caffeine, which improves alertness and mood, along with raising metabolic rate. Green tea provides only 35 to 70 milligrams of caffeine per cup, which is about half the amount in coffee. Green tea may be especially helpful against diabetes. A review of 17 studies found that green tea drinkers had reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels. It also contains an antioxidant known as EGCG, which may protect your brain, nervous system and heart from damage. 9. Protein shake. Another great way to start your day is with a protein shake or smoothie. Several types of protein powder can be used, including whey, egg, soy and pea protein. However, whey protein is absorbed most quickly by your body. Whey has also been studied the most and provides several health benefits. Additionally, it seems to reduce appetite more than other forms of protein. One study comparing 4 high-protein meals found that the whey protein meal reduced appetite the most and led to the lowest calorie intake at the next meal. In addition, whey protein can help lower blood sugar levels when consumed as part of a carb-containing meal. It can also preserve muscle mass during weight loss and aging. Regardless of the type of protein powder used, a high-protein shake can be satisfying and filling. Add fruits, greens, nut butter or seeds to provide fiber and antioxidants. 10. Fruit. Fruit can be a delicious part of a nourishing breakfast. All types of fruit contain vitamins, potassium, fiber and are relatively low in calories. 1 cup of chopped fruit provides about 80 to 130 calories, depending on the type. Citrus fruits are also very high in vitamin C. In fact, 1 large orange provides more than 100% of the recommended daily intake for vitamin C. Fruit is also very filling due to its high fiber and water contents. Pair fruit with eggs, cheese, cottage cheese or Greek yogurt for a well-balanced breakfast that will sustain you for hours. 11. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are incredibly healthy. They're rich in viscous fiber, which helps you feel full for several hours after eating. Flax seeds may also improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels, as well as protect against breast cancer. 2 tablespoons 14 grams of ground flax seeds contain 3 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber. Try adding flax seeds to Greek yogurt, cottage cheese or a smoothie to increase the fiber and antioxidant content of your breakfast. Just make sure to choose ground flax seeds or grind them yourself, because whole flax seeds can't be absorbed by your gut and will simply pass through your system. 12. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a fantastic breakfast food. It's high in protein, which increases metabolism, produces feelings of fullness and decreases levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin. In fact, cottage cheese has been shown to be as filling and satisfying as eggs. Full-fat cottage cheese also contains conjugated linoleic acid (CLA), which may promote weight loss. 1 cup of cottage cheese provides an impressive 25 grams of protein. Add berries and ground flax seeds or chopped nuts to make it even more nutritious. The bottom line: whether or not you eat breakfast is a personal choice. Despite what you may have been told as a child, skipping breakfast does not necessarily have negative effects, as long as you eat a balanced diet throughout your day. If you do eat in the morning, make sure to start your day off right by fueling your body with the healthy and nutrient-dense foods outlined in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave me a comment and give it a thumbs up.